In this video, I will walk us through a sequence of mapping the Modbus on a controller. I'm on the cloud here. I'm going to go to Manage Gateway, navigate to my site and Gateway. Click that. Click on Remote Control. So this is the controller that I have. Go in here, expansion board. You see I have board 1. This is the 5 input module on address 2. Hit enter, increment to board 2. This is the DTH, address 20. This is the 8 output, address 181. And see, the status is all reading. Okay, so I'm going to exit out. And everything's here. Now I'm working. Now I'm going to go through the process. I'm going to erase the Modbus table. I'm going to go into system setup. So system at the very top here, enter, highlight that, enter. So you go into the second option, scan move. I hit enter, highlight this, move it down, hit enter, and go into the scan move. Right, so here you see 5 input on address 2, the DTH on address 20, go down, and you see the 8 output ARO here on address 181. There's some other parameters here which I can explain in a different video. Right? So the way to erase is the erase under this copy button here. So I hit enter to highlight here. I'm going to move the cursor over the copy here. Now I press enter. You will see clear, and I press clear. You see everything's gone. Right, I'm going to exit out. All the way out. Okay. So now, even though you see it here, but then the module is actually gone. These are just stale reading, but you wait for a while. All the reading will go away. But on the screen here, the bus, those 3 modules now 0. Okay, so I'm going to go back inside the menu, system setup, back to the scan move. There's nothing here. Okay, so now we could right now, this option here shows 121 to 191 address from here to here. Okay, so if I scan now, I only get it starts with 128. So I'm going to highlight this. I'm going to move my cursor over to here. Hit enter. So there's different ranges that you can scan. Okay, so earlier we saw it was 2 and 20, right? So in this range, and one of them was out here. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to scan this range first. Hit enter. Right. I'm going to move my cursor back to the scan button. And it's on COM1, remember, we got to do on COM1. You can change this to COM2 for the weather station. But right now it's COM1, so I'm going to hit enter to scan. Right, you see 2, it found 2. 20, it found that, right? Now you can leave it going, or you can hit stop. So now only went to 131. Okay, now remember the other one was at 180, I think. The other way to do it, we could just go from, we can go from 0 to 55. We scan the whole thing. and just wait a little bit. So I just want to show that you can scan segments of it, especially if you know where the address are that you're looking for. So I'm going to go here, enter, back. Okay, I'm going to scan that. So you start at 128 and went up. Okay, and then we're going to look for 180, right there, 182, found one. Okay, stop. So I can, let's go down and see it. Let's see. I'm just going to press right, just get down. The other way, I could just see 181 here. Okay, I could just go up and down like that, right? You can see it faster. Okay, I'm going to exit all the way out. Let's see that switch comes back. These readings are now live again, and then you see here 3 of 3, so 3 module, and it's scanned and it's detecting all 3. Okay, you want to confirm. We can go back to the expansion menu, expansion board here. Go down, enter port 1, address 2. Hit enter to highlight this number. Go to board 2, address 20. Good. Port 3, 181. Good. Okay. So I just show how we can start from scratch and scan and get all the board in. Right? And I'll shoot a different video to show the mappings later.